Still Friday, January 13th. I had to get ready for the leveling feed I have coming for my lathe. And to do that, I had to get it up 3 inches off the floor to be able to get those things in there and mounted using my 3/4 all thread I'll cut down for stud, then the jam nuts and the regular nuts. I bought this little jack specifically for the forklift. It's a VEVOR jaw type jack. Got a pretty high tonnage on it. Oh, here it goes. 5 ton top capacity, 2.5 ton on. Well, actually, that says 5 ton right there. So we'll call it a 5 ton jack. Like, I'm not going to pick up anything that heavy. But anyway, you can slide it all the way up underneath something where you don't have clearance to use a floor jack. And it works pretty dang good. Amazon, they have bigger ones, but I'm pretty sure this one would be big enough. And it is. So when I'm jacking up these machines, to be able to put the leveling feet under them, which should be here Monday, extremely handy tool, which I bought 1 year ago. So that's taken care of. It's stable. It can sit there and it's not going to fall over. It's well supported on multiple axes, so that's good. Still just piddling, waiting to go to the chiropractor appointment, and should have a mill here towards the end of next week, first part of the week after, which is a pretty good deal. Gives us time to repair the lift cylinders on the fork truck and go from there. So anyway, I'll just keep on piddling. That's all for this one. Thank you.